Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mund and today we are going to solve some exercise questions 1 to 7, exercise 1F of chapter 1. Chapter name is Knowing Our Numbers of class 6 of Composite Mathematics Textbook. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. And please visit my blog mathsgrade.com for more information regarding the textbook solutions of CBSE, ICSE and other state boards. Let's get started and solve some questions. And if you like this video, then please click the like button. Today we will learn and solve exercise 1F questions 1 to 7 of chapter 1. Chapter name is knowing our numbers and topic is estimating the numbers to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Let's solve some questions. Now question number 5. Round each of the following numbers to the nearest 1000. First bit 3939. When we rounded up any number to the nearest 1000, we have to first look at the 100 place digit. Here 100 place digit is 9, which is more than 5. So we have to add 1 to the 1000 place digit. Here 1000 place digit is 3. 3 changes to 3 plus 1 and 3 plus 1 is 4. And this tends to the 100 place digit 9 changes to 0. And this tens place digit 3 changes to 0 and unit place digit 9 changes to 0. Now 3939 rounded up to the nearest 1000 is this 3 changes to 4, 9 changes to 0, this 3 changes to 0, 9 changes to 0. Now it is 4000. So 3939 rounded up to the nearest 1000 is 4000. Now second bit. The 6139. When we rounded off this number to the nearest 1000, we have to first look at the 100 place digit. Here 100 place digit is 1, which is less than 5. So don't add 1 to the 1000 place digit. Just write down 1000 place digit as it is, and this 100 place digit 1 changes to 0 and tens place digit 3 changes to 0 and this unit place digit 9 changes to 0. So 6139 rounded up to the nearest 1000 will be the 6, 1 changes to 0, 3 changes to 0, 9 changes to 0. Now 6139 rounded up to the nearest 1000 is 6000. So 3939 rounded up to the nearest 1000 is 4000. And 6139 rounded up to the nearest 1000 is 6000. Now question number third bit 5789. We have to round up this number 5789 to the nearest 1000. When we rounded up any number to the nearest 1000, we have to first look at the 100 place digit. Here 100 place digit is 7 and 7 is more than 5. So we have to add 1 to the 1000 place digit. Here 1000 place digit is 5. 5 changes to 5 plus 1, which is equal to 6. And this 100 place digit 7 changes to 0 and tens place digit 8 changes to 0 and unit place digit 9 changes to 0. Now 5789 rounded up to the nearest 1000 will be 6, this 6 and this 0, 0, 0, that is 6000. So 5789 rounded up to the nearest 1000 is 6000. Now fourth bit 9893. When we rounded up this number 9893 to the nearest 1000, we have to first look at the 100 place digit. Here 100 place digit is 8. 8 is more than 5. So just add 1 to the 1000 place digit. Here 1000 place digit is 9. 9 changes to 9 plus 1. And 9 plus 1 is 10. And this 100 place digit 8 changes to 0. And this tens place digit 9 changes to 0. And unit place digit 3 changes to 0. Now 9893 rounded up to the nearest 1000 is this 9 changes to 10, 9 plus 1 10, and this 8 changes to 0, 9 changes to 0, 3 changes to 0. This is 10,000. So 5789 rounded up to the nearest 1000 is 6000, and 9893 rounded up to the nearest 1000 is 10,000. Now question number 5th bit 2235. We have to round it up this number 2235 to the nearest 1000. When we rounded off any number to the nearest 1000, we have to first look at the 100 plus digit. Here 100 plus digit is 2 and 2 is less than 5. So don't add 1 to the 1000 plus digit. Just write down 2000 plus digit as it is, and this 100 plus digit 2 changes to 0, and this tens plus digit 3 changes to 0, and unit plus digit 5 changes to 0. Now this 2235 rounded off to the nearest 1000 is 2, this 2, and this 0, 0, 0. Now 2235 rounded up to the nearest 1000 is 2000. Now 6th bit 40,386. When we rounded up this number 40,386 to the nearest 1000, we have to first look at the 100 plus digit. Here 100 plus digit is 3 and 3 is less than 5. So don't add 1 to the 1000 plus digit. Just write down 1000 plus digit as it is 0, just 0 only, and this 10,000 plus digit 4, just write down 4 only, and this 100 plus digit 3 changes to 0, and tens plus digit 8 changes to 0, 6 changes to 0. So 40,386 rounded off to the nearest 1000 is 4, this 4, this 0, this 3 changes to 0, 8 changes to 0, 6 changes to 0, 40,000. Now 2235 rounded off to the nearest 1000 is 2000, and 40,386 rounded up to the nearest 1000 is 40,000. Now question number 7th bit 18,589. We have to round it off this number 18,589 to the nearest 1000. When we rounded up any number to the nearest 1000, we have to first look at the 100 plus digit. Here 100 plus digit is 5. 100 plus digit 5, so 5 is equal to 5. So don't add, we have to add 1 to the 1000 plus digit. Here 1000 plus digit is 8. So 8 changes to 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. And this 1000 plus 10,000 plus digit, just write down 10,000 plus digit as it is. And this 100 plus digit 5 changes to 0. Tens plus digit 8 changes to 0. And unit plus digit 9 changes to 0. So 18,589 rounded up to the nearest 1000 is 1, and this 8 changes to 9, 5 changes to 0, this 8 changes to 0, 9 changes to 0. So 18,589 rounded up to the nearest 1000 is 19,000. Now 8th bit 3,18,500. When we rounded up this number 3,18,500 to the nearest 1000, we have to first look at the 100 plus digit. Here 100 plus digit is 5, and 5 is equal to 5. So we have to add 1 to the 1000 plus digit. Here 1000 plus digit is 8. 8 changes to 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. And this 1000 plus digit 1 changes to 1 only. Just write down 1 only. And this 10,000, 1 lakh plus value digit 3 changes to 3 only. Just write down 3 only. And this 100 plus digit 5 changes to 0. Tens plus digit 0 changes to 0. And unit plus digit 0 is 0 only. So 3,18,500 rounded off to the nearest 1000 is 3. Just write down 3 only. This 1 only. 10,000 plus this 8,000 plus digit 8 changes to 9, and this 5 changes to 0. Unit plus digit 0, and tens plus digit 0. Now 3,18,500 rounded up to the nearest thousand is 3,19,000. Now 18,589 rounded up to the nearest thousand is 19,000. And 3,18,500 rounded up to the nearest thousand is 3,19,000. Now question number 9th bit. 2,45,376. We have to round up this number 2,45,376 to the nearest thousand. When we rounded up any number to the nearest thousand, we have to first look at the 100 place value digit. Here 100 place value digit is 3 and 3 is less than 5. So don't add 1 to the 1000 place value digit. Just write down 1000 place value digit as it is and 10,000 place value digit as it is and 1 lakh place value digit as it is. Now 2, just 2 only. This 4, 10,000 place value digit 4 only. This 5,000 place value digit is 5 only. This 3, 100 place value digit changes to 0. Tens place digit changes to 0. And this unit place digit changes to 0. Now 2,45,376 rounded up to the nearest thousand is 2,45,000. 2,45,000. This is the answer. Now 10th bit. 15,65,680. We have to round it up this number 15,65,680 to the nearest thousand. When we rounded up any number to the nearest thousand, first look at the 100 place value digit. Here 100 place value digit is 6. 6 is greater than 5. So don't add 1 to the 1000 place value digit. So we have to add 1 to the 1000 place value digit. Now this 1000 place value digit 5 changes to 5 plus 1 and 5 plus 1 is 6. And this 10,000 place value digit 6 only. This 15 lakh only, and this 100 place value digit 6 changes to 0. Tens place digit 8 changes to 0 and unit place digit 0 is 0. Now 15,65,680 rounded up to the nearest thousand is 15 lakh. This 5, 6, this 6, this 5 changes to 6 only. 5 plus 1 6 and this 6 0 0 0. Now 2,45,376 rounded up to the nearest thousand is 2,45,000 and 15,65,680 rounded up to the nearest thousand is 15,66,000. subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.